There's a fish. Ow. Yeah. First fish of the day. Not bad. We were out here the day after Tropical Storm Gordon. We thankfully didn't get a bunch of rain. We're going to see if we can't catch a few more like that. Caught that fish on the Big Mo by Trigger X. Lost one of his legs, but I'm going to keep using him. That braid ripped through my finger right there. Hey, like that. Oh crap! Trying to readjust myself. That fish is running with it. Not bad. Let's try that one. I'll swap to a big old 10-inch worm. It should work about the same. If it don't, we'll switch back. Oh, he's running here. No, I couldn't catch up with him. Crap. Oh, shoot. Apparently these fish are still feeding pretty good. Maybe the pressure's not real high. I couldn't catch up with that one. Dadgummit. Oh, that's a good one. I don't fall in first. Another solid fish. Yes, sir. Oh, he come off. He come off. That was a good one too. Ah, it's close enough. Alright guys, what happened today was we had Tropical Storm Gordon blow through early this morning before daylight. And we didn't get any rain off of it hardly at all here. And I knew the fish would probably still be biting if we could get out here before the winds changed and got too rough on the back side of it. I'm having a hard time getting them in the boat. I'm still having fun though. Let's see if we can't get another one to bite. Hopefully I won't lose it. There's another one right there, guy. Don't get over the log. That's a good one. That's a monster. No, don't come up. Ah. Yeah, that's a good one. Yes, sir. I didn't know if I was going to get that one in. Ah. Let's see if I can't. That's a good one. See you later, buddy. I don't think he had all that in his mouth. What you reckon? Probably not. Probably not. I am sorry, guys. I'm having a hard time today connecting with all these fish. quit it. That one ain't so big. Oh, can't catch up with him. Oh, I got him anyway. Good night, buddy. That's not gonna help nobody. That one inhaled it. There we go. That's another good fish. Yeah. Let me chew my finger up a little bit, huh? Ah, he's got it. Ah, he had it. As soon as it hit the water. Probably as soon as it hit the bottom. Let's try and see if it'll come back. Yeah. All these fish run to the middle. Here, buddy. Quit it. Seriously. Stop it. Another solid fish there.